Hey guys, welcome to my channel. So if you know me by now, you know that I'm a crazy succulent lover, and there was a time when my whole backyard was full of succulents, and I have that video on my channel. If you haven't seen it, please go and watch that video of backyard tour. If you're new here, please consider subscribing my channel and get notified whenever I upload a new video. So recently I decluttered my kitchen and found this unused non-stick kadhai with me. And I thought why not to use it for my new succulent arrangement. So let's get creative today and join me on my new adventure of converting this old kadhai into a beautiful succulent dish garden. So I filled this kadhai with a potting mix and I'm all set to arrange all my succulents here. I'm starting with my favorite type of succulent. It belongs to Echeveria family. And in some places they call it as desert rose, in some places they call it as green goddess. Whatever is the name, this is kind of most beautiful kind of succulents I have. This another succulent is having green frosty leaves and having red tint on it. And I'm placing it on the corner of the dish garden. Next I have this furry soft succulent which is gonna grow tall. So I'm gonna place it somewhere here. All these succulents are very low maintenance plants. Very easy to take care of. You just need to remember a few tips and tricks. And the most important part is most of them can be propagated with the part of the plant itself, like from root, from leaf or from stem. And here comes my another succulent from Echeveria family again, and it has some bluish purple tint over the leaf which looks very beautiful on it. While repotting these succulents, always be careful that roots of the succulents get covered properly in the soil. And here it goes. And to add more color into it, I am adding this crinkle leaf succulent. One more I am adding at this edge. I am adding few more crinkle leaf succulents just as a filler. I have selected this succulent because most of them they require similar kind of care. And I'm gonna keep this dish in patio itself because I know these succulents they need a lot of sunlight. Few pebbles for decoration and a pine cone. And a rustic touch from my side, I'm adding these dried sticks. And another kind of filler I'm adding is this pistachio shells. This is how the final look is, guys. And this fairy is added by my daughter. And if you like this arrangement, please let me know in the comments. And please let me know if you want me to do video on overall succulent care for beginners.